What's up guys? It's Cookie Point Gamer here again, and today we're having a car show video. It's just a small car show, but here you go. Let's take a look.
Yeah, Benz. Already got one rolled up in my left hand. Pussy on my mind, tighter than the headband. Cushion in my lungs, got ganja in my sweat glands. This shit I'm on better than the next strand. Better than the next strand. She head down, booty popping in the handstand. I shine bright, I give your girl a slight tan. I make that pussy whistle like the Old Spice man. I don't even understand why she'd ever want a man. If she ever throw it, I catch it like a cornerback. Like a cornerback, that's an interception. You think I give a fuck? That's a misconception. Oh what a night, oh what a night. The roof is on fire, so what, I'm high. I say oh what a night, oh what a night. Yeah, she a bad bitch, all jokes aside. Hey, look at baby over there. What's up, little mama come here. She started talking but I really couldn't hear her till she started dancing like she do it in the mirror. Like she do it in the mirror. Like she do it in the mirror. She broke it down, started moving like she care. Like she do it in the mirror. I chop one, chop two, chop that ass down, chop that ass down, chop that ass down. All I want you to do is just drop that ass down, drop that ass down. Now look back at it.
Whistling Dixie, middle school, I was getting head on the 10-speed. Gigolo bloodline, pimping hereditary. Black on 28, it remind me of February. There you can vote with me, that would be never weary. Dead ass rapper should've came with a cemetery. I am so cold, nigga like Ben and Jerry. Fill a nigga, deal a nigga, kill a nigga, obituary. My vision blurry, these bitches flirting. I've been drinking all night, I think my kidneys hurting. So I closed the curtains on the 62. Her ass will knock your ass out, you better stick and move. Chain hang to my ding-a-ling. Chain hang to my ding-a-ling. To do a threesome, you gotta intervene. Her legs so sexy when I'm in between.
Hey, look at baby over there. What's up, little mama come here. Start talking but I